guys, it's Henry here from HTP Boer farming. So yeah, as you can see, that's the area I planted with the Lucerne, Alfalfa. And the grass in Lucerne came up very nice. It looks very big. That side, the side we plant to harvest the grass for winter and all of that. And this is the side they walk and graze, where the goats graze. So yeah, today we're going to be harvesting, cutting that side. We're going to be using the sickle bar mower. And yeah, the trusty Hinomoto. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it's going as we go along. Yeah, so as you can see, this is about level of the tractor. It's about the same size as the tractor almost on places. Other places it's about half. So no, I think it came in good. You see the alfalfa in between, coming out very nice. And it's only this, from that tree on straight down this way. That's a mixture of alfalfa and grass. Okay, yeah, so let's see how it comes on. Just going to go to that side, and then I'm going to start from that side coming back this way, continuing coming back this way the whole time. Because there's a lot of trees and everything, I can't go in a pattern around the whole time, so I'll just have to take it from one side the whole time. Okay, let's see how it goes. Yeah, so it looks like it's doing good. Let me see if I can show you guys one-handed trying to do this. Seems to be doing well. Well, yeah, typical farming, something always should break. So yeah, this time it was this bolt. So yeah, normally like you see, I weld them in. I tighten them down, then I just give them a spot weld on the top. But since we're in the field, I'm just going to put one in, replace it, give it a second one on top to lock it in. And yeah, then we'll check how it goes. We'll see further. Yeah, so as you can see, I've done about 3 cuts already now, or 3 runs. I have to use the rake to get it out of my way there. But yeah, I think it's starting to look nice. You can see the size of the grass. It does vary, much taller there, shorter on this side, but it does go up and down and up and down. All in all, I think it looks good. I think we'll get a nice crop off of this. But yeah, let me keep on raking it all the way back so I can do another one. But I do believe it came out nice. Like you can see, we've got some alfalfa in here. Some nice grass mix. I think the goats are gonna like this. Yeah, okay, let's get back to it. See how nice the alfalfa came in. Yeah, it's been a few days later. It started raining, so yeah, what can you do? So now it's time to cut the rest. I got a little bit of a break in the weather, although it's still not looking very pretty. It might look like there's only a few clouds, but actually it's covered with clouds everywhere. The ones you see is just more. Look like rain ones. But yeah, let's go on. Let's continue cutting the rest. Yeah, so there we go. That's the piece. That's the area where I planted the alfalfa, the Lucerne. So now that I let the grass come up with it, hopefully the alfalfa will come through. If not, I'll get a a grass killer and then kill off the grass and let the alfalfa come through. But this is good bedding. Some of it they'll eat, some of it we'll use for bedding. And next week I'll start cutting on the rest. All of the hay. But yeah, no, I think it came out nice. Looks nice. Trusty little Hinamoto did his job. Still proud of it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please like the video and subscribe. There's no costs involved to subscribing. Then you'll automatically check my new videos if I bring new ones out. Thanks a lot, guys. Enjoy. Yeah, got the feed. You got your feed. You got your feed.